Hey guys, I just made this video to explain the easiest way to learn how to hand catch a drone, but I screwed up the audio, so I decided to make this voiceover video or B-roll or whatever they call it. Anyways, as you can see in the video, you want to just reach out to the drone, make sure it's pointed away from you, and you just raise your hand towards the bottom of the drone, because what a lot of people don't explain in these videos, and I've seen many. I got my drone just in May, and one of the first things I wanted to learn was how to hand catch a drone, because I realized that in the area I live there won't be many places where I can set the drone down and do an auto takeoff. So I tried to learn it immediately as soon as I got my drone. And what I realized when I was practicing over and over and over is that, hey, this drone, or all drones, especially DJI drones, have a sensor at the bottom. Now this is just a DJI Mini 4K, so it don't have any other obstacle sensors anywhere else on the drone, but it does have a sensor on the bottom. So what I did was I reached up to the drone while it's hovering there, and the drone will just push up a little. You'll see a little push, maybe about an inch or 2 inches, and that is when the drone senses that your hand is the ground. Now all you have to do is pull down on the stick like you see in the video. Pull down on the stick and the drone will just gently float right down into your hands, and you'll hear those, the drone will give that indication landing, and you will realize that the drone will come right down in your hands. And that's it. Don't try to grab the drone. Don't try to do anything special. All you have to do is, while that drone is hovering there, just reach up with your hands, let the drone sense your hands, and it will just, you'll see it do a little bump, boop, and then bring it down, and make sure that you hold down the stick until the propellers stop spinning. I hope this adds to the many awesome videos out there in the drone community when it comes to learning about how to fly your drone, and especially to people who have anxiety when it comes to hand catching. Once you try this the first time and you realize how easy it is, you will want to hand launch and hand catch your drone pretty much just about every time you go out flying. So happy flying, and this is Charles Leslie from Belize by Drone. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting pictures and videos from time to time about my beautiful country here in Belize. Thank you guys.